amazing ship during our journey to Port Everglades and our home port.
A goal in itself for a long time.
I mean, they've been putting blood, sweat, and tears into this ship for many, many years. And to finally see the stern of the ship sailing off towards the horizon is an emotional moment. The keel, which means we have to be very, very, very careful in maneuvering, and actually we can't even use the ship's propellers or azipods.
It's in the middle of it, so we couldn't ask for a better departure than what we had.
It was the perfect setting for the truly what, in a way, is the initial maiden voyage of this amazing ship.
It encompasses everything but the nautical side on board the ship. So everything you experience as a guest, from the F&B side to the entertainment to all the shops on board the ship, the guest staterooms, works.
Starting with that dramatic passage under the Great Belt Bridge in Denmark, continuing on to the English Channel, passing the beautiful white cliffs of Dover, and then going out into the Atlantic and being met with hurricane-force winds and 80-foot seas, which was quite a test of this amazing ship.
It's amazing to actually...
This is the big wow for us, and this is 6 years.
Following us, they've been closely monitoring our crossing. This is very special.
It's an amazing, emotional feeling. Bringing a ship like the Oasis of the Seas in for the first time is going to be something I'll remember for the rest of my life.
Did you see it, Richard? Did you see that? You know, the water is coming from down below, and you know that goes and shoots in there, and that creates the stern.
This morning, November the 13th, it arrived.
children, you're probably going to gravitate at various points of the cruise to Boardwalk.
You will see a carousel, a naturally handcrafted carousel, which will meet you.
Boardwalk itself is a little bit like going to a carnival. You can even have your fortune told.
It has a candy store, it has an ice cream bar.
It's just a fun place to be. It's a family hangout, and it will feel a little bit like you're on the boardwalk at Atlantic City or Coney Island or wherever it may be.
There's the Aqua Theater now that's going to introduce a whole new element of entertainment.
There will be water shows. We will have divers. We will have swimmers.
You will be able to sit at the end in the evening looking towards this entertainment, and you will have the Caribbean night behind you.
I actually think that of all the places on the ship and all the neighborhoods on the ship, it's probably going to be one of the most One of the things that Royal Caribbean going back 30 years was famous for was its pools, and it's kept up that tradition of having tremendous pool area. If you want to go to the sports area, there's an area that's devoted just to sports. If you want the kids have their own area. It will be so wonderful, it will attract them to stay there. On the other hand, it keeps them busy as well.
I also have a whale. She lives my whale, what a brand new 15 sport, 64 strip. Damping this past summer, so October.